दिल्ली में पैगाम आशूरा और इत्तेहाद इस्लामी के उन्वान से एक कॉन्फ्रेंस का इनकाद किया गया, जिसमें तेहरान से हुज्जतुल इस्लाम डॉक्टर हमीद शहरियारी, सेक्रेटरी जनरल आलमी असम्बली बराए तकरीब मजहब इस्लामी, और मौलाना इसहाक मदनी, सदर सुप्रीम काउंसिल आलमी असम्बली बराए तकरीब मजहब इस्लामी व हिंद ईरान ने शिरकत की। इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में ईरान और हिंदुस्तान के सरकर्दा उलमा ने खिताब किया और इत्तेहाद उम्मत पर जोर दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि शिया और सुन्नियों के दरमियान इश्तराक की काफ़ी बुनियादें हैं। इस मौके पर 1 दर्जन से ज़ायद किताबों का इजरा अमल में आया। उम्मत पर जोर दिया पर 1 दर्जन की।
इस्लामी जमहूरिया ईरान की तरफ से हर साल इत्तेहाद मिल्लत के उन्वान से मुख्तलिफ़ प्रोग्राम कॉन्फ्रेंसें मुनक़द की जाती है। आज भी यहाँ ईरान कल्चर हाउस में इत्तेहाद मिल्लत के उन्वान से एक कॉन्फ्रेंस यौम आशूरा की मुनासिबत से मुनक़द की गई। इसी हवाले से ईरान से एक स्कॉलर जिनका नाम है हमीद शहरियारी साहब, वो तशरीफ़ लाए हैं, जो वर्ल्ड फोरम फॉर प्रॉक्सिमिटी ऑफ इस्लामिक स्कूल ऑफ थॉट के सेक्रेटरी जनरल है। मिस्टर हामिद शहरियारी साहब, you are welcome to our program. What is the purpose behind this unity conference?
Actually, we are sending a message to all the world that Islam is the religion of peace and mercy, and we can gather to each other to talk about this mercifulness, which is the attribute of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. We insist that Islam is a very good religion and can cooperate with the other religion and coexist with the other religion, and those who are enemy of Islam try to introduce Islam as a something phobia, and we believe that this is the message of those who are enemies of Islam, while Islam inside is the religion of mercy and religion of mahabbat.
You know, after 9/11 the Twin Tower was attacked. Who attacked? It is still mystery. But the Islamophobia is on the rise since then. Yeah. And recently, the UN Assembly passed 15 March as a Islamophobia, anti-Islamophobia day. So how do Muslim Ummah counter this Islamophobia on the international level?
Actually, the Muslim who are living in the other country can introduce himself regarding their acts and regarding their deeds they do during the day and night. So if everybody see a Muslim is living very incoherent with his society, and he is living without any harmful act against the other, so it means that Islam is the religion of mercy, and we can introduce Islam according to our acts and according to our deeds. Actually,
you see that there are many radical groups in the Muslim countries like Islamic State, Daesh, that is called Al-Qaeda, and other extremist groups. They are bringing bad name to the Islam. How we can counter these radical groups?
Actually, these radical groups is not inside Islam. Those who are enemies of Islam make these groups as Islam, while this is a veil on the face of real Islam. It's not real Islam, and all of the sects inside the Islamic society reject this kind of extremist actually, and because inside the Quran, inside the Sunnah of real Sunnah of Nabi Akram, such as these things like killing the others or bothering the others or injuring the others is not inside Islam. Even if Islam makes something injuring the people as crimes in Islam, and they should pay for this kind of crime. So this kind of crime is not acceptable according to Quran, and Daesh was not real Islamic group. There were some groups that enemies of Islam make them to introduce a bad veil against Islam.
You see, such groups thrive in the Muslim countries. What are the reasons behind it? Because of the dictatorships, monarchies, and the very tight societies, and political deprivation. These are the reasons behind it. Because such groups thrive, they take popularity in many countries.
No, I think that this now Daesh is dead and is finished, and it means that it was not a real Islam. So because of this, now we can see that Islam is finished, and it was because of the efforts of Qasem Soleimani, who did these jobs best for the whole Muslim, and we get rid of Daesh.